fluffy pancakes. No eggs, no dairy, no problem. These are so good. In a bowl, add 1 3/4 cups room temperature non-dairy milk. Any kind will do. 1 tablespoon fresh squeezed lemon juice. 1/2 cup thick applesauce. Strain to ensure you have the right consistency, as some applesauces are more watery than others. Here, about 3/4 cup strained yielded that 1/2 cup thick applesauce. Whisk again to combine. Let sit for about 5 minutes while you melt the vegan butter. Melt 2 tablespoons vegan butter. Add the melted butter. It's cold in the house today, and the temperature of the milk was a little cool, so the butter didn't combine easily. I ended up heating the milk mixture in the microwave for about a minute to warm it up. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Set aside. In a large bowl, add the all-purpose flour. Measure with the scoop and level method, 2 1/4 cups, or by weight, 270 grams. 2 tablespoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons sugar. Whisk until fully combined. Next, pour the milk mixture into the flour mixture and mix gently until just incorporated. It's okay if it's not smooth and some lumps remain. So that the flour can absorb more of the liquid in the batter, so the batter has time to thicken, resulting in lighter, fluffier pancakes. Let the batter rest for 10 minutes. Stovetops vary. You may need medium heat. With my gas stove, I found that low heat works best. Test the heat. If water droplets sizzle, the pan is hot enough. Using an ice cream scoop, ladle, measuring cups, or just a large spoon, pour or spoon about 1/4 to 1/2 cups worth of the batter into the pan. When you see the edges dry up and bubbles popping on the surface, it's time to flip. This can take a few minutes. Flip and cook on the other side another minute or 2. The total cook time per pancake is about 3 to 5 minutes. Continue with the rest of the batter. This recipe serves about 4 people. You can make large, medium, or small size pancakes if you want a tall stack. Plate and serve with a pat of vegan butter, drizzle of maple syrup, and or your favorite toppings. Here I went traditional with the vegan butter and maple syrup. And look at that texture. So I hope you'll try these and enjoy them. Let me know in the comments below when you do, and I will see you next time in the next video. It's so good. These are so good. Be sure to subscribe for more easy vegan recipes that everyone can enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.